Sitting here eating chicken wings with my family. And look what's in my yard.
I'm dancing.
Sit down and eat.
Oh my God. There's a hen. There he is. Ugh. Oh my God. Why ain't it turkey season yet here in Florida? I mean, it's youth right now, but I got one more week. Well, I got until this weekend, and then I'll be able to go after him. Look at him. I just had the field cut. Oh my God.
What the rest of mine?
Look at him go. Oh. She's just, you know, going around, doing her thing. He's just sitting there. How much longer?